Jujutsu Kaisen Chapter 230 spoilers begin with Mene explain what Mahoraga is and Chozo tells her he can adapt to anything, even unlimited void. Back on the battlefield, Mahoraga managed to break Gojo's domain, which allows Sukuna to once again walk away unhurt. Gojo realizes that to heal from the damage, Sukuna used Mahoraga adaptation wheel to make someone else take the effect of unlimited void. He concludes that Sukuna made Megumi's soul bear the burden of his attack, sending the boy into a depth from where he has virtually no chance of being rescued. Now Sukuna has completely healed. Sukuna needs Mahoraga back into the shadows. Gojo taunts that Sukuna seems to be fighting desperately, but the King of Curses explains that it's Megumi who is operating the Ten Shadow. During their entire battle, Sukuna forced Megumi's soul to adapt Gojo's domain by using Mahoraga. This is why Sukuna himself never used the borrow technique and had to rely only on his own technique and Malevolent Shrine. However, Gojo seems confident that Megumi couldn't have adapted to his domains since his soul is actively fighting only when Mahoraga is present, actively or passively on the battlefield. If Sukuna wants to cash in whatever advantage he had forced Megumi to gain, he will have to summon Mahoraga again. Gojo is reasonably sure that he can kill the Shikigami with one attack and thus goes to expand his domain again. However, Sukuna warns him that he will no longer able to expand his domain, and true to word, Gojo once again gets a nosebleed. Sukuna explains that Gojo has burnt out his curse technique by repeatedly healing his curse technique with it because this required one to destroy and subsequently heal that part of the brain where one's curse technique is stored. Needless to say, it's a very risky process and can't be done infinitely. The onlookers calculate that Gojo has gone through his process almost 5 times now, while Sukuna has done it only twice. Gojo has seemingly reached his limit. Sukuna goes to expand his domain again and warns Gojo that this time he will encase his domain with a barrier to make sure that Gojo gets a hit. Jujutsu Kaisen Chapter 230 Roy scans show that Sukuna has Mahoraga's wheel on his head once again as Gojo falls to his knees, his nose bleeding profusely. Sukuna bids farewell to him, calling him. However, as soon as expand Malevolent Shrine, the domain gets destroyed. Sukuna starts to bleed from his eyes and nose as well. Thus, Jujutsu Kaisen Chapter 230 narration explains that Sukuna only took the onslaught of unlimited void for less than 10 seconds. It was enough to destroy his brain to a degree that he couldn't physically give the damage over to Megumi. The damage was so extensive that he can no longer expand his domain. Gojo rightfully laughs his heart out at the King of Curses. He physically lands a punch on Sukuna. That's the end of the chapter. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel, you fucking jerk.